XMR, now we are based on 1 hour chart. Okay, as we can see, based on 1 hour chart, right now we are within this correction. Now we want to see whether we need to look for sell or for buy. But as we can see, based on what we have here, we can look at this flat. But the way it was moving here was really corrective. Okay, that's why if we want, I mean, when we usually we have this kind of the flat, we can look for buy. But the only thing is whether this one is give a sign and this one easily can move, because as we can see, maybe we get the divergence. We easily with the breakout of the top and reverse. What we have right now we don't have a divergence, okay? But we thinking if we get, because easily price can break the top and reverse. And even if you want to buy, I don't think so, because if you want to buy, whether have an entry above the top or wait for the breakout, I don't think so we can get a really good trade setup. That's why if this one turn to deeper correction, at least one more drop, it can give us better trade setup. Then from there we look for buy. That's mean if this one become deeper correction. Okay. Anyway, if anyone wants to look for buy right now, having entry above the top, but we need to know easily can tag and reverse. Okay. Because of the reasons I mentioned. And if we move to daily chart, this is what we're looking for. We want to see whether this one can break and continue or not. And if we move to forward chart, okay, based on forward chart, if we put back everything, this is what we can look for. May remove everything first. Now we can look for this correction. Okay, that's why we want to see if we get any buy from here. We want the price to break the top and continue. Okay, by the way, right now, based on 1 hour chart, if we want to trade, we need to be quite careful about this. If we're looking at this correction, that's why we mentioned if the price give us one more drop, is we can look for trade setup. But from here, whether we put in trade above the top or wait for the breakout of the top flag, because already we have this flat. The only thing is we need to care about this part, whether this is we consider as the flat, as a correction or not. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart, and if anyone wants to trade without waiting for the, I mean, without getting a one more drop, as I say, if they want to have entry above the top, they need to be quite careful. May the price easily tag, give us a divergence. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.